Welcome to another Women and the series. It is Etobo Sigwe, Ezikolomo. Today I want to discuss how to restore a stolen destiny. How to restore a stolen destiny. Before I proceed, I will remind you of Afiola Extra coming up on August this year. And on 19th of this month, I will upload a video, a film, a Shidime on this channel. I hope that as many of us watch out for the film. If it's interesting, it's an Igbo film. If it's interesting, please, I would like you people to help us spread the word and help us share the video. Thank you. How to restore a stolen destiny. For the past 3 weeks, I, Ezekiel Omonzetubosi, we have been praying against those who snatch what belongs to me and turn back to give a little from it. People say, there are people that they are stuck in trade. They are good in taking what belongs to others and give, and from there they take ownership of what belongs to you, of what belongs to another person, and start playing the part of a benevolent person to that person. Start giving you a little. Na achologa ife. And if I hand achologo, a jifonyo mogo is actually belongs to you. So these people try to keep you down. Why they do this is to keep you down, to make you to always constantly look up to them. There are a lot of people that want you to always look up to them. There are a lot of people that want to make sure that they maintain the higher ground, that you never come up. So for them to be able to do this, they need to always take what belongs to you. They need to be alert, always take what belongs to you. So there are people who prey on what belongs to others. They do this both physically and psychically. Physically, they use force, aggression, or cunning devices to take what belongs to you. Then psychically, they use paranormal activities and out-of-body advantages to grab the good things that will come your way in life. As in physically, if they want to do it physically, if it's a land, a car, money, a friend, goodwill, they position themselves, they use force or they use cunning devices. They try to get you into trouble so that they will be at an advantage to get that thing that ordinarily belongs to you, even if it's promotion in the office. Then psychically, some people do it psychically. If you are their opponents or you are their colleague and all those things, they use psychic means, out of body experience, advantages or paranormal activities to, remove you out of the way. At times, they will make you not to be interested in what ordinarily you should be interested in. In one of my videos that some of you have watched, How Your Destiny Can Be Stolen, I have argued in that video for anybody to be able to take what belongs to you, the person must either know of your existence or the person must be close to you. Someone cannot steal what belongs to you without the person knowing that such thing exists. Someone cannot steal what belongs to you without knowing that such what exists. So for someone to steal what belongs to you, the person will be aware that such thing exists. Now, this brings us to the first step on how to restore a stolen destiny. Number one, hide it. Our people will say, and I am back now. You must learn to hide what you have. If you have any valuable thing, any valuable gift, any valuable opportunity, any valuable friendship, you must be able to know how to hide it. Don't throw it out there. Anything you are throwing out there, you are inviting thieves. Look at nature. Look at nature. Nature hides all the important natural resources. Anything that is significant in nature, anything that is important in nature is hidden away. Don't just see it anyhow. You must strive. You must put in serious effort for you to uncover it. So be like nature. Learn to hide what is important to you. Don't just throw it. If you value something, don't keep it in the open. If you keep it in the open, you have invited thieves and they will steal it. And if they steal it, the chances of getting it back is always what? Minimal or to zero. Now, number two, stay away from those that love to use you and make you grovel before they will give you any form of help. There are those friends, relations, and professional colleagues that make you grovel before they were able to provide any form of assistance. You know that we can't live this life without one help or the other. There is nothing like man-made, self-made. No, someone must help you. Now, there are those who, before they help you, they will make you grovel. At times, that's a sign that those people can take what belongs to you. or have even taken what belongs to you, and they are punishing you and they are making you get peanut out of it. They are making you to lose your humanity. They are making you to lose your self-esteem. So learn to stay away from people who make you to lose your self-esteem before they provide any form of help to you. It's my considered opinion that anything worth having, but you have to lose your self-esteem before you get it, is also not worth having. Anything worth having, but you have to lose your self-esteem before you get it, is also not worth having. So stay away from people who will make you lose your self-esteem before they will provide any form of help. Those people are mostly destiny stealers. They can also take what belongs to you. They will prey on what belongs to you. They are giving predators tendencies. Number three, build back or grow back the residue of your abilities. Some of you are listening how to restore or to recover what has been stolen. The truth of the matter is that most things that are stolen will not be recovered. How you can recover them is to build back, is to start afresh, is to grow back those abilities. Most times when people steal, there is always a residue. And when it comes to gifts and opportunities like this, people say that opportunity comes but once. So if someone steals your opportunity, it will take time for you to get for another opportunity to come back. It's gone, it's gone. That's why you need to be watchful. It's gone, it's gone. Ogago, you have to build back. You have to build back that ability. You have to build back that potential. You have to grow back that talent. It takes time. I will give you, don't permit me to give you a biblical example. When Samson's hair was cut, was shaved, there is nothing he would have done to recover back that talent, that ability, except growing back that hair. So there is nothing you will do to go and cut hair to fix. It doesn't work that way. Most people think that if your destiny is stolen, some people that keep asking me questions, they think that there is one thing that you press or one thing that you do, one sacrifice. They say, no, 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 no. Any sacrifice, anything you are doing is to build back. So listen carefully. The way to recover stolen destiny is to build back. Once it has happened, the most reasonable option is to build back. That's why you need to be watchful. That's why I started with hiding it. Because once it's gone, it's gone. To get it back, you have to do what? Build it back. That hair will never. Because at times, people that steal your destiny is to either hide it or to destroy it. Some don't even steal it to use it. They steal it to handicap you. So you must build back. There is always something left. So develop this residual carefully and cautiously. This will take time, but in many cases, is the only solution. Is the only solution. Number four, live life that can help open your spiritual eyes. To recover your stolen destiny, most times you need to have opened spiritual eyes. What our people will call Usenabo, or what the mystics you call the third eye. It helps you to know those who are capable of stealing your destiny, or those who are trying to steal from you, and helps you to, take preventive measures. Once something is stolen from you spiritually, you can't recover it physically. So why you need to have spiritual eyes is at times you are alerted before the person will make the move. So that's why you need to live life that will help open up your spiritual eyes. And you know more. You can't guard your destiny. You can't recover your destiny. You can't build back. You can't stay away from those who prey on you if you do not have anything more. So you must live life that will help you to do or develop anything more. Yes, at times some people eat some certain things that will help to open up their third eyes. It has side effects. I may not advise that, but if you want to go for it, fine. But it used to have side effects for some people. So, but one of the ways I can advise is daily prayers and eating with your forces. Eating with your forces through the if sacrifices helps. It's a slow process, but it helps. Another one is limited interaction with people. Easy or rap. Limited interaction. It dulls your spiritual antenna. Number five is daily ego for doing daily ego for decreeing against those. I opened this station by saying that for the past 3 weeks daily, I've been decreeing, I've been praying against those who do what, who are trying to take what belongs to me, and now start trying to find me. So that daily decreeing, because now, I say, Ono aka ụmụ atụ ya, ụmụ agha. So in this our mouth, we can use as God that we are, we can use it to decree. This decree is building kind of psychic forces, fence around ourselves to ensure that people who are trying to steal from us do not penetrate. So when we make that daily decree, for me, for some days now or for some weeks now, I've been making it that whoever wants to take what belongs to me, as far as I'm not holding what belongs to them, what will happen is that the ones that they have will be taken from them and be given to me. I say it daily. When I started getting the vibe that someone is trying to take what belongs to me. So that's why in your daily ego, for you need to be making that decree. Because as a powerful being and as a spiritual person that you are, once you have that, you are spiritually clean, you are spiritually agile. If you make decrees, if you are making decrees like this, it will come to pass. It will do what? Come to pass. It's part of the decrees that are sayings of our ancestors. We are trying to take the life of the Oko, and the Oko is running. We are going to meet fall, and the Oko will escape. That adage there, that proverb there is what? It's about telling you about this kind of destiny stealers. Are you not aware? So you have to be making decrees on your own life, in the life of your children, in the life of your wives, in the life of your husband, about those who want to steal their destinies. It's for you to make that decree. This is the place that you need to use your tongue to decree, to make decree. This is how you protect your destiny. Those who are asking questions. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen or my email address or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.